What's good, YouTube? It's Rob back with another video. I have here a screen protector from GPel. They were nice enough to send me over one of their new screen protectors. This it does have a 9H on the hardness scale. This is a whole screen protector that covers top to bottom, including the sensor. This installation is supposed to be pretty easy. This tempered glass also is supposed to be using what they call premium Japanese Asahi tempered glass. It retails for $22.99, so that's a little bit up there, but it should be worth it because it is a full glue, full cover. Now GPel say they listen to their customers, unlike other screen protector companies, and they now design a fully adhesive, tempered glass to cover the entire display. It's supposed to be case friendly and designed specifically for the LGG7 ThinQ, with a case-friendly full coverage type of deal here. HD clear view glass, ultra thin, and around the edges the glass screen protects the device without losing any type of clarity. So hopefully this work out. It does have that OLEOPHOBIC coating. That is such a hard word to say. Nice presentation, as always. They give you two in the pack. I'm going to do a quick installation. I don't know if I should do it on screen or not because I tend to suck at these lately. But what I'm more or less intending on doing is actually critiquing the glass, tempered glass itself, because all of us know how to install one of these. And you seeing somebody do an installation on screen isn't really what I think you're here for, because we all know how to do it. I'm going to show you the tempered glass right quick to give you a nice little installation kit. Show you what the tempered glass looks like. You get two. You see how it covers the sensor. I'm going to lay it over the white, so it'll give you an idea of how it's supposed to lay on the phone. They do have this fingertip thing to help with the peel, so you don't have to get your hands on it. I don't think this will aid you in the installation, but for the most part, basically what you get an installation kit that got the stickers to clean off the lint and the alcohol and dry wipe, and two tempered glass. I'm going to install this and come back and let you know what I think. This is a fully adhesive, so it's not glue around the edge. It is glue from top to bottom, in the middle, everything. So give me a second, let me install this. I'll get back with you in a second. That was pretty easy. Like I said, I went ahead and left the camera on, let you guys see the installation. It is somewhat case friendly. I like how it melts with the bezel, but you can see how short it falls. So it will be a case friendly type of screen protector. Got a couple of air pockets right here in the corner. Let me work this out. Okay, those are gone. It looks nice. Nice and clear, man. This is nice. I like this screen protector. It's easy to line up by these sensors. When you put it on and you line it up by the sensors, that's the easiest part. The part of it is making sure when you drop it on the bottom that it is not slanting one way or the other. You see how my hands are going? Make sure it's not. If you can lay that thing perfectly down in the middle, this is a beautiful screen protector. $22.99, all glue. This is pretty nice, guys. What I'm gonna do is it's very smooth. Like, you know, there's no streakiness to it. It's really smooth and easy to swipe. It's on point. Again, I'm going to leave everything down below for this GPel screen protector for the LGG7. But man, just looking at it, you see how the lights are kind of playing off of it and everything. This is nice. This is just first impressions. I really like this. I'm going to leave everything down below. If you have any questions about this this screen protector tempered glass, please leave them down below. Come back next week because I'm going to give you a review of how this tempered glass worked out for me as far as with cases. Did it stay clear? How did it fingerprints, if any fingerprints have appeared within a week's time, and give you my final review on this. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Again, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.